One is an alarm clock and the night lamp in the same thing. So you can use these both for an alarm clock and a night light, so you don't have to waste electricity. Hello guys, welcome to Ariana Zone. Today I got a package and it has an alarm clock inside of it. And I got the alarm clock so I can wake up early or I can wake up at what time I want. So today I'm going to unbox it with you guys. And it has a special feature. It can glow in the dark, so you don't need a night lamp, or you don't need any other lights on. So let's get started. So guys, it's in this. Okay, let's open it. So guys, it came with a free gift. It came with a mini car. And it came with a thank you note. Thank you for supporting my business. Okay, so guys, here is the box. It's a color change digital alarm clock. So let's open it and let's see what. Okay, so guys, it's a color changing digital alarm clock, as you can see. So it's a Stitch alarm clock. So now I'm going to unbox it. Let's get started. Wow guys, it looks so cool. Look, it has Stitch. So guys, this is the color changing alarm clock. And it looks so cool. It has the screen right there. So guys, it comes with a charger just in case it runs out. So guys, now let's see how we on this thing. Guys, can you hear that? It says the date. It even has the temperature on it. Do you guys see? And there's some other buttons on the bottom. Let's see how these ones work. So let's press set. So guys, now I'm going to show you how to on the LEDs, and then I'm going to show you how it glows in the dark. So first, there's a set button. You press set. And then there's an up and down button. Press up first. And then press down. And then you can press either of these. Press tap. And then it glows. You need to apply some pressure on it. Now I'm going to show you how it glows in the dark. Wow. Do you guys see it? It's glowing. And you also need to apply pressure, so if you're using this as a night light, you have to put something heavy on top. Okay. So guys, it has 7 colors in total. It looks so cool. So guys, you don't need to buy another night lamp. Cause this one is an alarm clock and the night lamp in the same thing. So you can use these both for an alarm clock and a night light, so you don't have to waste electricity. So guys, in my next video, I'll show you how to set the alarm, because these things are too complicated, and I'll ask my dad to set the alarm up. Thank you for watching. Bye!